In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new chart in ThinkorSwim. Now, creating a new chart is actually very simple, and there's a few ways you could do this. Now, the first one is you could actually just use the chart you already have. So you want to go to the Charts tab, and you want to go to the Settings, and click on Reset the Chart Default, click on Apply, and then OK, and it's basically going to get reset, and it's basically a new chart. You can then just go ahead up top left, and just go ahead and search for whatever you want to pop up, click on it, and it's going to create the new chart. However, what you can also do is you could add another chart next to this one, and you could click on this tab up here, top right, where there's like a rectangle, and you could basically, of course, select the grid you want to have. For example, like this, I want a separate chart on the right hand side. It's going to open up a new chart over here, and I can just go ahead and search for whatever I want, and I could go ahead and then populate this chart. So for example, it's not finding it right now. There we go, my mistake. Okay, as you can see, I now have a new chart. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.